Welcome to Jurassic World Rebirth Toy Hunt here. We have a new version of the Jurassic World Legacy Collection, the electronic real feel Indominus Rex here. It's $49.99 here at Target. It's from Mattel. It's a Reimagined toy. Look how detailed it is compared to the old camouflage and battle Indominus Rex here. The new one here is same size. The tail's a little bit different, straight. This one's curved tip. The leg and the color's way different. It's reddish here. This one has a button here and the LED lights here, and this one has a hidden button in the middle here, right? The arrow is. The mouth does not move up and down like this one, which I like. I wish it does that. This one is kind of like the it's more soft touch here on top, similar to the electronic real feel T-Rex here, the Jurassic Park anniversary one here. So this is the Indominus Rex version of Jurassic World Legacy Collection here. Will look like on the back of this here. Don't forget the scan to unlock here. These usually are on the bottom of the feet here. They're going to be this is remember the Carnotaurus one they have. They're going to have another one here with the helicopter and the Velociraptor here. Chomp and reveal here. Like I said, this so far only I see this at Target. I haven't seen this at Walmart, so it's $49.99. Like I said, this is also soft to the touch, so it's a softened touch more. It's not hardened plastic. The only thing that's hardened plastic are the legs and the toe feature here. The jaw, the bottom jaw is hardened plastic right here, but the detail on the neck, see it, soft touch. The head, so the head is hardened plastic too. So the head and the leg and thigh part and feet are hardened plastic. The rest of these are soft touch. See it? Soft touch. So these are hardened plastic with soft touch here at the top, and these on the back is his neck is also soft touch. So it's $49.99 here again at Target. Only electronic real feel Indominus Rex here. Let's hear the sound. Here's the close-up eye feature, orange looking. Like I said, we can compare it to the one from last year, camouflage Indominus Rex, and this is this year. Look at that comparison right there. So almost everything's similar, but this is the new version of June of 2025 here. Jurassic World Legacy Collection here. So they use the same sound as this one, as the camouflage in battle. So look at this one. Cut off here, Nickelodeon tattoo and YRAM. Look at that. Pretty cool. Tattoo and then YRAM right there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figurine here. There's also Octoman Slash, Punk Leonardo and Raphael, and Ultimate Shredder. look at any other feature, we have the Velociraptor mask, of course, it's $16.99. And we got the Spinosaurus one too behind it. It's $16.99 too. We also have the Strike Attack and our Salvania, $11.99. Got Ionic, and we got an Antonio here. Get the Dino Reveal, $9.99. And we also have the old Escape Path Jurassic World KX Theory, the Baryonyx, Wild Roar. We also have this. This Walmart has it too, but now finally the Rage and Roar Tyrannosaurus Rex mask is $39.99 here at Target. I like the LED lights color. Look at that. The lid from red to green. Gigantic Thrasher, Terran Titan here. And of course, we also have the Eo Triceratops. These are $24.99 here at Target. And don't forget the THRASHER. And one of my favorite Jurassic World Rebirth Tail Thrasher Spinosaurus. It's $49.99 here at Target. I'll recommend you buying it at Walmart. It's cheaper by $10. Love the tail swinging part. We also got the Jurassic World Rebirth Super Colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex, $69.99. And right behind it is Super Colossal MOSASAURus. It's also $69.99 here. We also have Roaring Real Field Carnotaurus, $34.99. And let's look at some of these display here. Still got the Star Wars display. It's going to change it to the Jurassic World display here. Strike Attack Triceratops here. And one of my favorite, Utah Raptor. Let's see, and MOSASAURUS. And like I said, this is what they got, the TYRANNOSAURUS 2 here. It's $69.99. This is the one that's similar to the Brachiosaurus, 59 inches in length or 150 centimeters. So I see here at Jurassic World Rebirth. They got two display here. They got the Reimagined one here, and this one, this is going to be the Jurassic World display. They finished this one yet. And of course, they got the Indominus here. This is $24.99. Reimagined Jurassic World Off-Road Tracker Pack is still $49.99. It's overpriced. And this is old too, the Chopper Chase Pack here, $29.99. So we're here to feature the Jurassic World Legacy Collection Electronic Real Field Indominus Rex here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time.